Your biggest source of untapped profit is sitting right in front of you, and SamCart's newest feature is here to unlock it. Selling a digital product is tough. It takes time, creativity, hustle, and if we're being totally honest, a little bit of luck. And the number one complaint that I hear from exhausted digital product creators is, how do I get my customers to buy again? Far too many creators have a business that is one and done. They have one course, one book, one something to buy, and that's it. Which means that your best customers who are ready and willing to spend much more are not given the chance. And according to a study over at Marketing Tech Blog, the average loyal customer is worth 10 times their initial purchase price. Which means if your business is currently a one and done transaction, you are sitting on top of a gold mine of extra profit. And all you need are the right tools to tap into it. Like Nick Wolney, who came to SamCart and boosted his average order size from $67 to north of $110 just by giving his customers an easy way to buy more using SamCart's order bump feature. And that's a story that we hear over and over again. When you have the right tools in your toolbox, it will change your business forever. And today, we are thrilled to announce our newest tool for growing your bottom line by making it easy for customers to buy more and buy again and again. It's called Featured Courses. The SamCart Courses app is now powering tens of thousands of creators, helping them create one password-protected spot to deliver digital downloads, online courses, onboard new clients, and even host private live streams. With this new Featured Courses update, you can select 4 items to be featured at the top of your students' dashboards. So now, when your student logs in, if your student already owns something that is featured at the top, they can click, open it, and dive right into that awesome content. But if they don't own it, SamCart allows the student to purchase it right there on the spot using our card on file technology. Interested students click and receive a 6-digit code via email, plug it in to confirm their card, and buy with one simple click. And in case you were wondering, it works with both credit card and PayPal accounts. So your students get instant access and you have just created passive income, just by giving your best people an easy way to buy more stuff. So now every single student that you add to SamCart Courses is an opportunity to sell more of your bigger offers, your memberships, service packages, coaching, and everything in between. It's just the newest way that SamCart is bringing our e-commerce expertise into your members area. Featured Courses is now available on all SamCart plans. Our saved credit card features are always reserved for SamCart's grow and scale plans. But for the next 30 days, we are releasing this full feature to every single SamCart plan. So if you're on SamCart Launch, for the next 30 days, you can test drive Featured Courses and use SamCart's saved credit card feature alongside it. So hop into your account, turn on a featured course, and let your customers effortlessly purchase new stuff using their card or their PayPal account on file. After the next 30 days, SamCart Grow and Scale will keep the saved credit card aspect of this new feature, and launch customers can still use featured courses, but interested students will not be able to purchase using our card on file technology. They'll just be redirected over to a SamCart sales page to place a new order for something they don't own. Tap into a whole new source of profits by giving every student the ability to binge all of your best stuff. Featured courses are now available on all SamCart plans. And if you're on SamCart Launch, remember, you can test drive the card on file technology with this new feature for the next 30 days completely free. If you want to add this new tool to your arsenal, head over to samcart.com and grab a free trial today. Add featured courses to the laundry list of ways that SamCart makes it easy for you to sell your digital products. With pre-designed templates that help you sell from one simple page. Order bumps that help your customers spend more by adding more to their cart. And one-click upsells where buying is done Amazon style with one simple click of the mouse. Head over to samcart.com and start your free trial today. And we'll include our brand new 4 steps to launch training with customized onboarding steps specific to what you're selling, like courses, ebooks, services, and even physical products. So you can go from zero to selling with SamCart faster than ever with help that is catered to your business. Unlocking customer lifetime value will change your business forever. Your customers are going to love being able to find exactly what they need and buy it on the spot. And you're going to love getting new sale notifications on your phone without ever lifting a finger. Put the right tools into your toolbox. Grab a free trial at samcart.com today. There's no contracts and no long-term commitments. If featured courses and our suite of e-commerce features don't pay for themselves and delight your customers, you don't pay for them. So come and check out featured courses today, now live inside of all SamCart accounts.